Hello everyone, welcome to Sunya IAS. Guys, today in this video we are going to talk about our book Samadhan 2022. Now this book is very important for your prelims. It is like one-stop solution for your prelims 2022 current affairs. So in this video, I'm going to explain you why is this book a one-stop solution, what all it covers, how many months ka current affairs, how can you get it, the features, all those things. So let us get started. Before getting started, जिन लोगों को ये वीडियो हिंदी में देखनी है इनके लिए हिंदी में एक वीडियो बन रही है, तो उसकी लिंक जो है वो डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दी गई है, तो आप वो देख सकते हैं. सो गाइज लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. So these are the frequently asked questions to me. The first question whenever I speak to someone about UPSC exam, the first question is, ma'am, how many months current affairs are we supposed to study or how many years? So here I will tell you, in Sunya IAS, in this book Samadhan, we are covering current affairs from May 2021 to January 2022. Okay, for February to April, we will provide you a monthly compilation as well as a 3-monthly compilation which you can download from the website only for this period. Okay, otherwise it will be provided in hard copy. So now when will you get this book? This book will be dispatched around 5th of March. So you will get it in say 10 to 15 days depending on where you stay and is it an interior area or a metropolitan city. Okay, mode of delivery. Now what is mode of delivery? Will you get it as a soft copy or a hard copy? Guys, we are providing you only and only with hard copy of this book. Only this Feb to April part will be available on the website. Otherwise, May 21 to January 22, the current affairs will be provided in terms of hard copy. Now, many students will ask after this that, okay, this is a one-stop solution. So what is the cost to it? Guys, there is no extra cost if you have subscribed to our current affairs 2022. Okay, for prelims, then it is already included in your subscription. You just have to pay 150 rupees courier charge. Okay, address collection. So where do I submit my address? Your address collection will start from 10th of February and you will be notified if you have subscribed. So guys, if you are watching this video before the 10th of February, then I would say please subscribe soon. Okay, so that you can start reading the monthly PDFs. And when you get your Samadhan on 15th of March, say for example, you're getting it on 15th of March, then you can use the Samadhan book for revision. Okay, this is one of the best options. And when the address collection will start, you should put in your address and pay the 150 rupees which is needed for delivery. Now let us see what is the speciality of this book, right? हमने छोटी मोटी nitty-gritties देख ली. Now we are going to look at the broader picture. That what is so special about this book. Guys, the first thing that is very special about this book is, firstly, we cover the Hindu newspaper exhaustively. We cover PIB very minutely. We cover other monthly magazines also. So as you can see, we are covering all the sources. You don't have to read anything else. Okay, this is one point that is very important for your exams. Second point, say for example, for the last year, WTO appeared in the news in 7 months. Okay, so that will be given separately in 7th compilations of monthly magazines. But in Samadhan book, we are going to compile all those months, all those news related to WTO and put it at one place in a sequence wherein you can interrelate, interlink and remember very easily. So what happens? This increases your retention capacity to a very huge extent. Okay, now here say similarly species in news. So all the species of say turtle will be given at one place. Whatever has been in news, all the species of say leopard will be given in one place, whatever has been in news. Also guys, since we covered the newspaper The Hindu exhaustively, last year there were a few out of the box questions. They were actually not out of the box questions. They were from the Hindu and they were covered in our notes as well. So say for example, the TRICLOSAN wala question. Okay. Then there was another question about the tribes. then about the 66 Jogini temple. All these news were covered in our prelims notes, and in the description box you will get a link wherein you can check it for yourself. Hits from Sunya IAS notes in prelims 2021. Guys, these notes, like, are the best in the market, the most comprehensive. We are deleting everything that is not necessary, that is irrelevant for your exam, and only the important things pertaining to your UPSC prelims, the relevant things are only kept in these notes. Guys, you can ask your friends. I'm very sure many of your friends would have recommended that you should only read this book for your current affairs for prelims. There are a lot of toppers who swear by these notes, that these notes have been instrumental for them in clearing their prelims, and these are one of the most famous notes. See here, the schemes are also given ministry wise. Every topic is arranged in such a nice way that you will be able to remember it very nicely. Now you would say how to order these books. So you have to go to our website sunyaias.in. There you'll have to go to this notes tab. In the notes tab, go to prelims 2022. You have to subscribe to this prelims 2022 Sunya notes. Once you subscribe to this, okay, you will be getting access to our monthly magazines, which you can start reading. And when the address, okay, is collected, you can give your address and pay rupees 150 and get your book delivered. Now guys, I would request you to subscribe as soon as you can, because say for example, right now the cost of our prelims current affairs notes is X, the subscription. After 2 months it might go to X plus Y. Okay, right now the courier cost is 150 rupees. It might go to 150 plus X, because right now the books would be moving in bulk. Okay, the shipping would be done in bulk. After 2 months, maybe not. Plus the prices of the subscription might also increase. And if you really are serious about your UPSC exams, you should not miss the chance of subscribing to these notes. So guys, these are the reviews. You can pause the video and look at the reviews. And a lot of students find it very helpful in clearing their prelims, and they don't read anything else except for this book, which is called Samadhan. So guys, thank you very much. The link for subscribing is given in the description box. If you like this video, if you find it useful, please like it, share it, and subscribe to the channel so that you can watch upcoming videos about our products. We have free series of revised prelims through MCQs. We have lot of content coming on the channel, so don't miss out on that. Subscribe now and get closer to clearing your UPSC prelims. Thank you.